thanks for checking out my channel, watching the video. Today I'm gonna do a little something different than just cooking. I'm gonna do a product review. Years ago I worked for LSU and I worked for this really great Southern lady. And she talked like this. She had such a great accent. She was just so sweet and refined. And one time we had to go to a trade show. And you know, at trade shows you get a bunch of free junk. I left with bags of stuff. And a woman looked at me in her sweet little Southern voice and said, "Tom, honey, you're a product whore." Stuck with me, and it is so true. I'm a product whore. So today I'm gonna do a review of something I saw on Facebook called the Pura air freshener. So let's unbox it and see what it's about. All right, guys, here it goes. This is the Pura air freshener. And I ordered it like 3 days ago, and it's already here. So we're gonna open up the box. Nice packaging, by the way. So we have the instruction manual. And it talks about onboarding and how to set this thing up, because this is a Bluetooth air freshener. So we'll look at that in a minute. Here is the 2 scents that I got, which is Yuzu Citron, which is like orangey, and Tuscan Neroli, which supposedly is like woodsy and kind of citrusy. I hope I didn't get too much citrus. And this is the device itself, which it's just a plug-in basically. And it said it has a magnetic case. Of course, I'm not going to read directions first. Oh yeah, so there you go. And it says stop. Download the Pura app and follow the instructions before plugging in. Okay, cool. So let's download the app. All right, to use the app, you're going to go to the App Store and search for it. It's under Pura, P-U-R-A. I have actually already installed this app on my phone, so all I'll have to do is open it. Once you open up the app, you're going to go directly to register your new device. And you say connect your device, and on the back, once you allow access to your camera, you scan the QR code on the back of the device itself. Now, I went into some other screens which I didn't quite understand. You actually have to plug it in at this point. Once you plug it in, you don't get these weird screens. It goes straight to the looking for the device screen, and it blinks blue. It's going to ask you to use Bluetooth, which you will allow. It'll search for the device. Once it finds the device, it will connect and pair with that device. Then you're going to connect it to your Wi-Fi by choosing your Wi-Fi network, entering the password, and saving it. Once it is connected, it's going to open up to put fragrance number 1. On the back of the box, you scan the QR code. It tells you what it is, and you snap it inside the device. You're going to plug the device in the wall and then snap the magnetic cover back in place. To use the app, you're basically just going to open the app, and it will open up to the scents. The active scent will be in color. The inactive scent will be black and white. You can have them both running at the same time. I don't know why you'd want to. But what you're going to do is click on the smell, and you can see you can mess with the scent intensity or pause the scent. And this is where you will switch out for a new scent. And it shows you exactly how to do it. You can also set up a schedule. Now, when you hit remaining scent, it opens it up and gives you kind of idea how much time is left per bottle or per scent. So if we X out of this and go to the other scent, you'll see it's not active. You can say start, and that will start that scent. And it has the same screen as the other. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see shop, where you can actually go into their shop and look at the thousands of scents that they have. You can also look at your past deliveries and the upcoming deliveries. And also on your accounts or your settings page, you can do things like look at tutorials or refer a friend. These are the tutorials that will show you how to do exactly what you're wanting to do. All right, guys, so I just installed it. Easy to do. You just basically hook it to Bluetooth, connect it to Wi-Fi, put your fragrances in. It had to reset itself or upgrade its operating program, whatever. And it stays white for a minute. It won't do anything. So then I showed you how to go into the settings and change the smells. This is what it looks like now. So I have it setting. The setting is on the neroli. So we're gonna smell that in a minute. And it's got the bluish night light. And you can go in there and just switch the night lights to a different color. So you can make the smell match the color. So like if you had citrus, you could do an orange smell or something if you feel like doing that. I'm not so sure I'm gonna change the light that much, but it's really cool. Let's give it a few hours, see what the smells are like, and I will touch back with you. All right, guys, so the Pura has been running about most of the day. I have to admit, the smell is, first of all, it's really good. It's not like artificial smelling like a lot of the store-bought brands are. We bought a Febreze. No, I didn't like it. The Bath & Body. Buddy, what are you barking at? I hear you. The Bath & Body, don't like those. Those kind of got old. And also the burners stopped working. So it's like you had to keep replacing the burner. But this one, I've got the neroli running, and you can smell it throughout the house. It's one plug-in. We have a 3-bedroom house. You can smell it pretty much throughout the whole house. So far, so good. I'm impressed. The cartridges run anywhere from $11 to about $20. If you do subscribe, you get a discount. So mine are running about $8. That's $16 a month for 2 cartridges. If it smells good and it's worth it, and it doesn't smell artificial, I'm all for it. So I will keep using it. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down below. I'd love to know. But as for now, I'm giving Pura a thumbs up. I like it.